me and my cousin, well, me, I figured out a brand new glitch that nobody knows in Animal Crossing. It's where we'll like, we'll put a picture up on the screen and we'll go with it. So I'm pretty sure what you do is you want to hit both of these at the same time. Because then when you go into the arena lobby, you'll see Settler and Tech Tree at the same time. And while in the arena lobby. So let's try it out. Did it work? Yo, it didn't work. I'm here. I'm gonna call him. Yo, it didn't work. Where are you? Yo, I think I did. No. Yo. No. Well, anyways, I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of him doing it. So this is what he did. It didn't work. Did it work for you? Okay, but anyways, that's how you do it. You guys can try to do it on your own. Should we show them the other glitch where you can get arena before? Here, go to arena, and then okay. Why is it taking so long? Oh, okay. So the thing with this glitch, yo, can you get me a rocket? Can you buy me a rocket? My thing's not working. I did not do it. Here, I'll just...
have the teller grenade. I'll just mine all the ore. Isn't that how you get back? I'm so close. Okay. But there's one more glitch. I'm already recording. How? Oh. I'm already recording. I recorded those 2 glitches. This is the glitch that I was talking about. Can you buy me a rocket? Because I can't. I don't know. My thing's glitched. Yeah, I don't see any. Just a jetpack. 2. So the glitches, how you get to arena without even doing it, if you have to go here, then activate one, and activate another, or you could do it at the same time. It should see light like there, and then it will kill you. Then you have to respawn. Then you're here. And then you can get a gun and just play. It's so broken. Okay, so anyways, that's the video.